This is a Mickey's grenade used for explosions. All you have to do is twist the cap and use the grenade. Use it. Use the grenade. Yeah. Little burps. But the big one boils. Use the grenade.
What up, girl? You don't fuck with me, huh?
That grenade was a dud. That was a gross one. Now, as you can see, these are the official Sid Vicious Sick Kicks. Sid Vicious on the inside. Look close up, Robbie. Sid Vicious. These Sick Kicks to go get another grenade. So let's go, troops. Takes no time to get from the little brown couch to the fridge to the grenade. Fucking Vegas, the desert. Use the grenade. Use the grenade.
I hate these videos.
Use the grenade. It works. Burps are great.